Today, we are going to discuss about one of the most important and game-changing notification from Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, the Environmental Audit Rules 2025. Namaste friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, me Mansi. Why this is so important? Because for the first time, India has introduced a structured environmental audit system to ensure industries, activities and projects follow the rules, not just on paper but in action. What are environmental audits? An environmental audit means a systematic check, like a health checkup for industries, processes or project, to see if they are really following environmental laws such as Environmental Protection Act, Air Act, Water Act, Forest and Wildlife laws. The goal is simple: prevent, control and reduce pollution by ensuring whether all safeguards are really working. Why are these rules needed? Till now, compliances were mainly checked by government agencies, but we know how gaps exist. These new rules bring in registered environmental auditors, qualified professionals who will regularly audit industries and verify whether they are following their environmental clearances, consent to operate, waste management rules, or green approval. This ensures more accountability and self-compliance. Who are registered environmental auditors? These are experts certified through a national certification exam or recognition of prior learning. They will be registered under a central environmental audit designated agency. Their job is to do site visit, collect samples of air, water, waste, check pollution control systems, and submit audit reports. If violations are found, they even have the powers to submit non-compliance and calculate environmental compensation. Key features of the rules: independent and transparent audit with strict code of conduct. Conflict of interest is avoided. Auditors cannot audit where they have a professional or financial link. Random assignments of auditors to projects to ensure fairness. Strong link with Green Credit Rules 2023. Positive environmental actions can earn tradable green credits. Auditors may also be engaged for waste management, e-waste, battery waste, plastic waste, coastal regulation zones, and EIA-related compliances. A steering committee at MOEFCC will oversee the scheme. Why it matters for India's future? These rules are not just about compliance. They connect directly with India's climate commitments, ESG ratings, green finance, and global responsibilities. They will push industries towards higher resource efficiency, better waste management, and sustainable growth. In short, it makes sure that development and environment work hand in hand. So friends, Environmental Audit Rules 2025 marks a huge step towards transparent and accountable environmental governance. Industries will no longer hide behind the paperwork. Real audit will show the truth. This will not only reduce pollution but also help India to achieve its climate goals and promote lifestyle for environment life. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, me Mansi, for more such knowledgeable updates on environmental laws and policies.